Dear student, class 7, welcome to our online class Greenfield School and College. Today I am going to discuss about the chapter 10, social problem in Bangladesh. The society and the social problem are closely related. The social problem persists at the very birth of the society and are still continuing. Only the nature of the problem has changed. The social problem is such an abnormal situation of the society that influences most of the people of the society, and everyone needs to work together to overcome the situation. We have known about the social changes in the earlier chapter. There are different problems of social life in Bangladesh. Some of them are poverty, population growth, illiteracy, superstition, custom of dowry, and child marriage. These social problems have harmful effect on individuals and society. Economic and social advancement of the country is hindered by this problem. This problem should be addressed and solved. Concept of dowry, causes and effect. One of the major social problems of our country is the custom of dowry. Exchange of dowry is prohibited in the marriage law of the country. Still, in most marriages, groom's side takes dowry from the bride's family. The money or property that the groom or bride demands and receives from the opposite side during marriage is called dowry. So we can say, what is dowry? Presently in Bangladesh, the groom's side demands dowry from the bride's side. Few marriages are held without dowry because nowadays say no to dowry, no to take dowry. It has turned to a social vice. Dowry is an age-old tradition. In ancient China, the bride used to carry dowry to the house of groom after marriage. Ancient Athens to head the tradition of sending money and property along with the bride to groom's house. Their dowry used to determine social status. In present Bangladesh, dowry takes the form of money, property, valuable furniture, articles given to the groom during marriage. However, according to the Marriage Act of Bangladesh, exchange of dowry is prohibited. In Bangladesh, dowry has turned into a deadly social disease. There are many reasons behind it, but poverty is thought to be the main cause of this dowry. Uh, the groom side demands money and property from the bride's side because of poverty. The groom wants to establish himself using the money and property. Bride's father. It's a very shyness work, but it is a tradition, and our oldest tradition, and our society's people want to exercise this. The groom wants to establish himself, and most women of this country remain engaged in domestic works in their own houses, and as such they don't earn anything from that. So we can find a cause of women's women's financial problem, and they don't contribute in family in family establishment. They live a life of dependence on others in their husband's family. These women most often suffer humiliation and torture by their husband. Many wealthy people in Bangladesh give huge dowry in their daughter's marriage. They believe that the dowry will help their daughter to keep her head high in their husband's family. It's a tradition. This is also a reason dowry has become so deeply rooted in our social psyche. We have laws to check dowry in many cases. Ignorance about this law is helping dowry get social permanence as a tradition. Again, sometimes lack of proper enforcement of this law is giving rise to this bad tradition. In rural areas, we see it a lot. Dowry is a practice in all social sectors of Bangladesh. Many problems have arisen in the society out of these customs. Main reason behind torture and violence against married women is dowry. Only for dowry, only for demanding dowry, lot of women um, face to torture, face to humiliation, and committed suicide. The wife is humiliated in her husband's house due to dowry. When the demand of dowry is not met, the wife is forced to leave the husband house. That sometimes lead to divorce and even death of the wife too. Incidents such as post-marital conjugal quarrel, torture, murder of wife are happening mostly due to dowry. It acts as the root of poverty, cooperation, criminal tendency, early marriage, polygamy in the society. We have to keep in mind that both giving and receiving dowry are equal crimes. Law and against dowry. The Muslim family law does not regard moharana in marriage as dowry. Besides, marriage gifts up to 500 taka will not be considered as dowry too. But at present, there has been a large scale increase in the practice of dowry as a custom. For this, the Anti-Dowry Act was passed 1980 in Bangladesh. The law prescribes a highest 1 year of imprisonment or a fine of 5,000 taka as punishment for giving or receiving dowry. Only one may also be punished with the same if he or she demands directly or indirectly any form of dowry from the bride or groom's family. The judge can award both punishment together. Any accomplice in the matter will also be awarded the same punishment. The Anti-Dowry Act was amended in 1986. According to the revised law, the convict for receiving or giving dowry will receive a minimum of 1 year to a maximum 5-year jail sentence. According to the Act Against Women and Child Repression 1983, a convict may be awarded death sentence or life imprisonment and financial penalty if a woman is tortured to death or any attempt to her death for dowry. To marry a woman against her will and receiving dowry have also come under the provision of severe punishment. Dowry has created a massive problem in familial as well as social panorama of Bangladesh. We need to be conscious in order to free from effects of this evil custom. Primarily, we need to raise consciousness in the family to stop dowry. We must abstain from receiving and giving dowry. Simultaneously, we must raise consciousness among our neighbors. If necessary, we should take support of law. We have to motivate all members, including girls, children of the family, to go for higher education. Dowry cannot curse their lives if they become self-dependent. Social movement to resist dowry. We have to raise mass awareness in society beside our family if we want to be free from the curse of dowry. Social movement is organized social resistance. Every day, incidents like illiteracy, poverty, torture of women, kidnapping, divorce occurred around us. Demand of dowry is the main issue behind many of these crimes. We have to make our people conscious of the evil effects of the customs in our neighborhood as well as in our locality, village and world. Everyone should be urged to come forward and resist dowry. We have to build anti-dowry attitude in everyone's mind in society. We need seek cooperation from all educated people, lawyers, UP chairmen, members and development workers of our locality to build up social resistance against dowry. If we can gather everybody to an organization, we can be free from it. Dowry victim and provide legal support to them, this organization It will organize anti-dowry meeting, rally, work. Uh, Mass awareness will be raised and society will be free from the cloud of dowry. The term child marriage refers to a marriage where both the bride and groom are children, or at least one of them is child. Uh, According to Act Against Child Marriage 1929, underline the Child Marriage Restraint Act 1929, Act Norm, uh, Bangladesh official approval of Child Marriage Prevention Act of 2014, the term child refers to a girls under 18, boy under 21. Therefore, 21, the marriage is considered as a child marriage. Hence, therefore, in a marriage, if a bride is below 18 and girls groom is below 21, the marriage is considered as child marriage. Then the main issue of minor marriage in Bangladesh is poverty. A poor father is somehow unable to provide for his daughter and marries her off to in-laws' house. Poverty, there is also lack of social security as a curse. Effect of child marriage resistance and law. Child marriage affects the increase in various individual, collective social problems in society. For example, though the minimum age for marriage of a girl's boy in our country is 18 and 21 respectively, this usually leads them to become parents themselves even before they attain full maturity of their physique and psyche. As a result, the adolescent girl suffers from multinational and her baby also suffers from weakness and malnutrition. Rate of maternal infant mortality is increased. We need to arrange proper education for these children and adolescents. When they become educated, they will be conscious and will have clear idea about the bad effects of early marriage. Child marriage is punishable crime. We need to step forward to stop child marriage. Parents and guardians such children must be consulted. Frankly, both boys and girls need to be independent. A self-dependent nation can stop child marriage altogether. According to Child Marriage Restraint Act 2017, child marriage is an offense. The case of this offense, an adult shall be sentenced to 2 years imprisonment or 1 lakh fine or the both. If any adolescent commits the offense like child marriage, he or she shall be sentenced to 1 month imprisonment or 50,000 taka fine, and both according to this law. If parents, guardians, or any other person arrange the child marriage, shall be sentenced to 2 years imprisonment or 50,000 taka fine or the both. Sometimes we observed our daily newspaper. Child marriage occurred remote areas. Sometimes some girl's child bravely protect it, and she go to the police station and complain against it. We think if guardian will be conscious, when our guardian will be conscious and we spread the activities of awareness program more and more, then it will be stopped. Otherwise not. Thank you so much.